Namaskara. The previous video I had given this Enu variations. This is hEge variations, which will be very similar. HEge, as you know, is how. So how the hEge can be used in different with different suffix to give different meanings. It's very interesting and very useful as well. Okay, hEge means how. So you can use it like this. Mobile ಅಲ್ಲಿ network settings ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗುವುದು. How to go to the network settings in the mobile phone. So mobile ಅಲ್ಲಿ network settings ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗುವುದು. ಹೋಗುವುದು means how to go, right? To go, ಹೋಗುವುದು, right? To go. So this is how you use ಹೇಗೆ normally. Now ಹೇಗೂ, right? This u is dirgha. So ಹೇಗೂ means anyhow. So ಹೇಗೂ ಅವನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು, right? ಆಗ ಅವನನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. Anyhow, he has to come this side only, after he finishes his work. At that time, let us catch him. ಹೇಗೂ, right? ಹೇಗೂ ಅವನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. He has to come this side. ಈ ಕಡೆ means side. ಆಗ means then, at that time, ಅವನನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. Let's catch him. ಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. Anyhow, he has to come this side only so this side only after he finishes his work. At that time, let us catch him. So this is this hegu, anyhow. Then hego, right? Hego means somehow. Okay, hego ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ದಾಖಲೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮುಗಿದಿತ್ತು. Right? Dakale means registration. Somehow my house registration got completed properly. Hego, right? Somehow it got completed. So hego nanna mane dakale, right? Dakale also means document. Okay, so here it means registration. Mane dakale ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮುಗಿದಿತ್ತು, right? ಮುಗಿದಿತ್ತು, right? Somehow my house registration got completed properly. Then ಹೇಗಾದರೂ, this is also somehow but with a slight difference. By what does it mean? By hook or crook, we say in English, right? That's what this somehow. So ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. Somehow you have to come to our house function. ಹೇಗಾದರೂ, right? Do whatever you want. Somehow. Okay. ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ. ಸಂಭ್ರಮ means function. ಸಂಭ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು means you have to come. I insist, like that. Now the alternate for ಹೇಗಾದರೂ will be ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. So this ಹೇಗಾದರೂ can be changed to ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ. Do something and come to our house function, right? So you can use ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ. So these are the three variations of hege. So you have hegu, then you have hego, then you have ಹೇಗಾದರೂ. Okay, ಹೇಗಾದರೂ. Let's see some examples. So ಹೇಗೋ ದಾರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಗೋ ದಾರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೂಡ ನಿನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. Somehow, even without knowing the way, I came to your house. ದಾರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೂಡ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ means without knowing, right? So ದಾರಿ is route, way. ಹೇಗೋ ದಾರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೂಡ means also. ನಿನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಐ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸಿಕೊಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಹೇಗಾದರೂ, ರೈಟ್? somehow. ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸಿಕೊಡಿ. somehow finish my work please. ಹೇಗೂ ನಿನಗೆ ಗಣಿತ ಪಾಠ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ತಗೋ. ಎನಿಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. So this is something that is usually told to students who are confused about whether to take science group or whether to take commerce. So if you're good in maths, usually science group will work for you. So that's why ಹೇಗೂ anyhow ನಿನಗೆ ಗಣಿತ is maths. ಗಣಿತ ಪಾಠ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ತಗೋ. Okay. So ಹೇಗೆ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ? This is the normal use of ಹೇಗೆ. How is your business doing? ಹೇಗೆ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ? ದೆನ್ ಹೇಗೋ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮದುವೆ ಮುಗಿಸಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. right? One more time. ಹೇಗೋ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮದುವೆ ಮುಗಿಸಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Somehow through hardship, kashtapadu means to go through hardship. We have completed the wedding. Mugisi, right? This is mugisi bittidivi. Mugisi bidu means to finish off. Mugisi bidu is to finish. Mugisi bittidivi. Okay, so we have completed, we have finished the wedding. ಹೇಗೂ ನಿನಗೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ತರಕಾರಿಗಳು ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡೆ? Anyhow, you do not know how to cook. Why did you buy so many vegetables? ಹೇಗೂ ನಿನಗೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ತರಕಾರಿಗಳು ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡೆ? ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳು means to buy. ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡೆ means why did you bought, past tense. So ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡೆ? Why did you buy in the past, right? ಹೇಗೂ, anyhow. Okay, that was it. It was a short video with hEge variations. It is very similar to the Enu variations. Like this, we can do the same for LE also, where which I'll make a video of it. So every question words, right? Enu, hege, LE, yake, right? And then we have eshtu, and then we have totally 6. So eshtu, then what else am I missing? So enu, hege, then we have LE, ಯಾಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು, then what else, where, why, how, what is ಏನು already done, when, ಯಾವಾಗ is your 6 already. So this all these are question words. So each of this can be varied just like how I showed you, to give that effect of somehow, somewhere, like that. So I'll do the one for LE also. If needed, I will do it for the other question words as well. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.